Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to adjust balance wheel, updated. Begin by removing the case back and securing the movement in a holder to prevent slips. Work slowly and use a loop to inspect the pivot and hairspring for kinks or dirt. Take note of the balance staff alignment and test free amplitude before making small, careful adjustments with non-magnetic tools and a steady hand to avoid damage. In this video, I will show how to adjust balance wheel, updated. Start by measuring rate and amplitude so you know what needs correction. If the hairspring is slightly off-center, use delicate taps at the stud to recenter without deforming coils. For timing, prefer small regulator adjustments or turn timing screws minutely and retest repeatedly until the watch holds a stable beat and target rate across positions. In this video, I will show how to adjust balance wheel, updated. Quick recommendation: bring a little life to your workspace with an Echo Dot smart speaker for easy timers and gentle background music while you work. It's compact, sounds good on a bench, and pairs well with focused repair sessions. If you find this useful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to adjust balance wheel, updated. When things go wrong, systematically isolate the problem by checking amplitude, beat error, and pivot freedom. Low amplitude may reveal winding or friction problems rather than balance faults. A consistent beat error usually means the balance staff or stud needs attention, so pause and reassess before making further tweaks. When repair exceeds small adjustments, consider professional service to prevent further harm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.